Primary productivity, which is equal to amount of new biomass of the producer per unit area and time. It is the total amount of energy accumulated within the producer. That is the primary productivity. So which is divided into gross primary productivity and net primary productivity. त्यामध्ये दोन टाइप्स आहेत. The gross primary productivity GPP, which is equal to total amount of energy captured by the producer. The definition काय is the total solar energy trapped in the organic matter in a plant tissues by the photosynthesis. So that plant will utilize the 100% energy from the sunlight. So in the photosynthesis process, for their growth, they utilize the solar energy. That solar energy is converted into chemical energy. So this process is known as gross photosynthesis, total photosynthesis, or total assimilation. So this gross primary productivity, which is equal to total amount of energy captured. Total किती energy capture केलं आहे? How much the energy is stored? Amount of energy stored. That is known as gross primary production, or it is called GPP, gross primary productivity. Total amount of energy captured. Net primary productivity, it is the amount of energy bound organic matter created per unit area and time, that is left after respiration. After respiration, the amount of energy which is created per unit area and time. तर याला काय म्हणायचं? apparent photosynthesis or net assimilation, त्यालाच काय म्हणतात? Net primary productivity. The rate of biomass production is increased. The net primary productivity refers to balance between total photosynthesis and apparent photosynthesis. या दोन्ही मधला balance आहे. So this net primary productivity, that is NPP, results in the accumulation of the plant biomass. This serves the food of herbivores and decomposers. So in the equation form, how it is given, it is net productivity of the energy, that is equal to gross primary productivity minus energy lost in respiration. This is the equation of the net productivity. So in this, the amount of energy stored by the producers and potentially available to consumers and decomposers, that is included in that, in the net primary productivity, the amount of energy stored by the producers that is available to consumers and decomposers. So it is the net primary productivity by deducting the energy lost in respiration. Net productivity म्हणजे काय? That is known as NEP, net ecosystem productivity. ही net productivity वेगळी आहे आणि ही net productivity वेगळी आहे. Okay, the net ecosystem productivity, which is equal to GPP minus RP plus RH plus RD. That is RP is the respiration by plants, RH is the respiration by heterotrophs, and RD is the respiration by decomposers. By deducting this, we get the net ecosystem productivity. The net primary productivity is the gross primary productivity minus energy lost in respiration. Then secondary productivity, which is the rate of production of new biomass by the consumers. The energy which is amount of energy which is captured by the consumers. So therefore, this secondary productivity is the repackaging of the energy previously captured by the producers, and no additional energy introduced into the food chain. So this is the accumulation of the plant biomass serves as the food of the herbivores, carnivores, and decomposers. So Autumn in 1971, you have used the term assimilation rather than production at this consumer level. So this secondary productivity which depicts only the utilization of this food for the production of the consumer biomass. So it is the rate of energy stored at consumer level. Then third type is net productivity. So this net productivity is the in this the energy which is consumed by energy which is transmitted from the producers to consumers. While transmission of this energy, the organic matter is not consumed by the heterotrophs, which has been left over by the consumers or heterotrophs. So in this, the rate of storage of organic matter that is not used by the heterotrophs or consumers. So in this, from the net primary production minus consumption by the heterotrophs during the heat time that is given. So it is the rate of increase of biomass of the primary producers during the unit rate as a season or year. For a particular season or year, how much there is a rate of increase of the biomass of the primary producers throughout the year. That is known as net productivity. So therefore, it is a net amount of primary production after the cost of the respiration by plants, heterotrophs, and decomposers. That is shown in this equation form. The NEP, net ecosystem productivity, which is equal to gross primary productivity minus RP plus RH plus RD. So in this, respiration by plants, heterotrophs, and decomposers is subtracted from the gross primary productivity to give net ecosystem productivity. समजला तिन्ही मधला डिफरन्स काय आहे? Difference between gross primary productivity, net primary productivity, secondary productivity and net productivity. So in this way, this productivity is determined. So primary productivity, that is equal to amount of new biomass of the producers per unit time and space. That is divided into gross primary productivity and net primary productivity. The gross primary productivity कसं करतात? It is the total amount of energy captured. That is gross primary production, GPP, which is equal to total amount of energy stored by the producer, that is plant. किती amount of energy store केलेलं, that is total amount of energy stored by the plants, that is gross primary productivity. The net product primary productivity म्हणजे काय? It is the gross primary productivity minus energy lost in respiration. त्यामध्ये energy lost in respiration minus केलेलं gross मधनं. So remaining will be net primary productivity. This is the net primary productivity of the energy. Then secondary productivity, which is the rate of production of the new biomass by the consumers. The net ecosystem productivity in this, it is shown by this equation. From the gross primary productivity, the respiration done by plants, heterotrophs and decomposers, that is subtracted from the gross primary productivity. In this way, productivity of the ecosystem is determined. Some of the primary productivity, secondary productivity, and net productivity. Someone नसेल तर विचारा. Any problem in this? You can ask in chat box, or you can unmute yourself and you can ask. Someone नसेल तर विचारा. Any problem in this? After this, ecological succession, the process of ecological succession. Okay. The remaining part is ecological succession. The next lecture will continue. Here we will stop. In next lecture, we'll see this ecological succession. Everyone give attendance in chat box.